Assalamu alaikum friends. Today I will discuss how to use Google Map without an internet connection. Open Google Map app. Make sure you are signed into your Google account. Select this icon. Select offline maps. Select your own map. Search for the city you would like the download. Tap the button that say download. Once the download is complete, you can use Google Map offline. I will now turn off my internet connection. I will see how to use Google Map without internet connection. You can see that Google Map is running while without internet connection. Thanks for watching.